Good morning, students. Last class here, 9th class guys, explanation of grammar. Now I am going to explain here descriptive writing. That is letter writing. You know that is letter. Here that is two formal letters. Formal letters. Informal letters. Formal letters, informal letters. First one is, here is formal. Formal means official letters. Formal means here official letters. That is one who writes letters, especially officers. Next, informal means here letter to write here is generally friends, and here is parents. Next, third one is here relatives. So let us go. One who write friends, parents, relatives. Relatives means mother or father. Relatives means here uncle, aunt. Parents, mother, father. Friends, okay. So this is known as informal means here official. It is known as personal letters. It is known as personal letters. Okay. Then if you write any letter, children, either formal or informal, either official or personal, what are the parts of the letter? Parts of the letter. Then what is the format of official letter and what is the format of personal letter? Just I am going to discuss here is it. Now that is the parts of the letter. Letter main basically two. One is official and second one is here is personal. Official is known as formal letters. Informal letters are known as personal letters. That means one who writes letters, friends, parents, relatives. Okay. Next here is official means municipal commissioner, police commissioner, sub-inspector of police, circle inspector of police, the postmaster, general postmaster, district collector, that is mayor. Okay. So here is official letters. Okay. Then parts of the letter. Then I have to discuss here parts of the letter. Okay. Parts of the letter. Parts of the letter. Generally, as you know, children, here we are human beings. The first here it is called is head, and here is arms, hands here, and legs, and remaining part of the body is called torso. Remaining part of the body is called torso. Similarly, if anything, just here is first one is here is heading. Second one is here is salutation. Third one is here is body. Body of the letter. Fourth one is here subscription. Here is fifth one is here is signature. Sixth one is here is superscription. Now one by one I am going to describe. Explain. Here is generally how many parts of the letter? Here is 6. First one is heading. Second one is salutation. Third one is body of the letter. Fourth one is subscription. Fifth one is here is signature. Sixth one is last one is here superscription. Heading consists of two elements. What are they? Heading consists of two elements. One is here is place and date. Here is. Here date means when and where. When and where. So we have started to write any letter, or you have started to write any letter, or they have started to write any letter, you must be first place. So I think here where you are, where the letters comes. Next date. So when and where, it is very important. So here heading consists of these things. One is place and date, must and should. Either official or personal. Either official letter or personal letter. So first one is heading is here is place and date. It must be, generally here is a paper. So it must be, here is like here is first one heading. It must be, here is there. Okay. Next one, salutation. Generally here is salutation means here addressing. Here is salutation means here is greeting or addressing. Salutation means here greeting or addressing. Generally people are called that is with their names. Generally, but some are officials. We are not addressing with their names. We should simply call sir or madam. Sir or madam. But generally, here is in social language, here is just friends. For example, just we are addressing, that is here with the name. Name of the person. No doubt, not at all. But here is salutation is depend upon receiver and writer. So receiver and sender. The letter who receives, the letter who writes, here receiver and sender. Salutation is depend upon relation between sender and receiver. That is, it must be changed from official letters to personal letters. I told generally official letter means here respected sir, addressing, or dear sir, or sir. But here is not personal letters, not respected sir. So addressing is changed. Okay. So salutation or is it is known as greeting or it is known as addressing are the same. Okay. So it must be placed generally left side of the page below heading. Left side of the page means this is left side. This is the right side. Left side below the heading means it's like that. Then afterwards, so we should use here comma after addressing. Okay. Third one, sir. As you know, heading is vowel. So addressing is vowel like this. Addressing is vowel. Hi, that is. But what about the remaining part of the body? Remaining part of the body generally. So here is it is also very important. So body of the letter. So here is we should here generally personal letters are official letters. Official letters, whereas we have to write at least 2 or 3 paragraphs. In official, generally you are discussing or dealing with an issue or a problem generally. So from the first paragraph we are going to describe here a problem or an issue. Then the remaining paragraph we are going to, that is solve this kind of problem what we have said in the above paragraph in a requesting manner, in a pleasing manner. Okay. So generally body of the letter, that is content is here is 2 paragraph, either official letter or personal letter. Understood? First one is heading like head, you know head. Second one is here salutation like here is remember your hands like this. Third one, body of the letter, that is your body. So okay, your body is very big, your body is very thin. It's not criteria. The healthy of the person is very essential. Health is very essential. Okay, if you are thin, if you are fat, if you are obese, okay, but health is very important for each and every person. Here, body of the letter, we should directly what we have said in the subject. Next, subscription. Subscription means here is a conclusion of the letter. Conclusion of the letter. Generally, children, every beginning is very important. At the same time, how to close also important. When we begin anything like that, At the same time, when we know how to stop. For example, when you start a vehicle, that is just like that. Okay, in ignition, just like start a vehicle. After that, when you stop, then put off the engine. It is known. So when you write, how to write letter, be heading and salutation button letter. Here is subscription means here closing. That is here is closing. How to conclude the letter? How to conclude the letter? Here is generally subscriptions known as here is yours faithfully, or yours lovingly, or yours truly, or yours sincerely is there. But it also subscription should depend upon the mode of the letter. The mode of the letter, that is here is official letters are generally we are addressing yours faithfully, that subscription, or yours sincerely there. But whereas personal is yours lovingly or yours affectionately there. Next, signature. Generally, children, but you are writing examination, so signature is not required. But outside, that is in practical life, in social life, signature is very important, one who writes letter. So here is sender. Signature is must and should of completion of the letter. So it is very important for practical life, that is day-to-day life. But whereas in examination, so we don't, that is put signature. Thus we should write X, Y, Z instead of name. Or don't write your roll number also, children. Next, superscription is here is address on the envelope. Superscription is here is to address on the envelope. Okay, so in this way, here is 6 points. First one is heading, second one is salutation, third one is body of the letter, fourth one is subscription or conclusion, fifth one is signature. So last one, superscription is known as to address. Okay, we should write here, that is receiver's address. Receiver's address by sender. Okay, now children, I am going to show the format of formal letter and informal letter. Just see that, children. Format, simple, yeah. Format of official letter. Format of official letter. That is, here is a formal letter. So first this is a page. Imagine children, this like this is a page. Okay. Now white page, long page. So generally letters be finished within one page. You should, that is, if at all you should write, that is 3 paragraphs of body of the letter. Then you should go to next paragraph and conclusion of the letter, the next. Okay, children, here is format. First one is here is a place and date generally. But here is, we should write here is from address. Don't write here is a place and date. Generally here is a from. Okay, don't write your name, X, Y, Z, door number, street, area. Full stop is there. Then next to address, to the designation like that. For example, police commissioner is there, or municipal commissioner is there, or they publish that is editorials to the editor, Indian Express, Vijayawada. Okay, so from address yourself and to address. Then after that, respected sir is there here. Comma. Okay, here FTR, from to respect sir. Here is body of the letter is just like here is. We should note that is at least 2 or 3 paragraphs after that. Here is body of the letter. Body of the letter, generally. Next, after that, thank you, sir. Here is it. After that, thank you, sir. So, after that, yours. Here is faithfully. Yours faithfully. Here is it. So, thank you, sir. Is center of the page. So, yours faithfully, FULLY. Then X, Y, Z. So okay, this is the format of official letter. From address to address, respected sir, or there is some right after subject. Then you have write body of letter at least 2 paragraph and thanking sir next after comma. Yours faithfully comma expression full stop. Don't use apostrophe. For example, yours. Here is some that is it's a quite wrong. Big mistake because why? Yours is pronoun. Yours is pronoun. So don't use or don't put apostrophe in yours. Okay, children. By next class, I will show there is informal letter. That is format of informal letter. Thank you.